Hello fans all over the world. Yesterday I promised that today will be an interesting and informative day. Indeed, there is an information I have for diabetes, obese and general health enthusiasts that would change their lives. In fact, if you follow me on this journey, you definitely see great improvement in your journey of management of obesity and diabetes. Your A1C will definitely drop as you follow my recommendations in the next 90 days. Therefore, I bring you a product that is likely to prove a better alternative to processed sugar. The name is Allulose. So without wasting time, I'm going to take 2 spoonfuls and check the result with a continuous glucose monitor. So let's get going. Here is the product. The name is Allulose. As you can see, it is keto friendly, 0 calorie and 0 glycemic. I will now take 2 spoonfuls, infuse into the water. In the next 2 hours, we'll be checking the result and then follow up with the introduction of the product. Now let's go to the numbers. Here is my number before I took Allulose. Now before I show the number after Allulose, let us take this time out to share, like, subscribe and follow and hit the notification button. In fact, it is also better for you to comment if you have any issues. If there's any comment you have to make, if you don't believe in anything, let it be interactive. Put up your comments. I will address every of your comments, every of your concerns. Now look at the results. It is obvious that Allulose did not raise the blood sugar. Allulose is a plant-based sweetener derived from plants like jackfruit, kiwi, figs, and raisins rich in natural nutrients and antioxidants. It has 0 calories and glycemic index, just with 3 grams of carbohydrates. Allulose is unique among sweeteners because it caramelizes and browns like sugar. It is suitable for keto diets, kids and diabetics and obese individuals. It is also perfect for cooking, baking, sauces and glazes like sugar. Allulose has received a generally recognized safe approval from the Food and Drugs Administration of the United States of America. Studies also suggest that it is non-carcinogenic. It does not cause tooth decay in children like sugar and other sugar substitutes. It does not raise insulin and blood sugar levels in diabetics. I therefore recommend it for diabetics and other people.